So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable automatic uploads on your Nintendo Switch 2 console. So if you've been taking screenshots and screen recordings on your Switch 2 and you want them to be uploaded to your Nintendo account, then this is what you're going to do. The first step is to just navigate to your profile settings. So go ahead and open the profile settings. And then from here, you're going to select user settings. Next, you're going to scroll down until you find the section for album. And then once you found the section for album, you should see upload settings. Tap on that. From here, you're going to then choose the option automatic uploads. And then you should see automatic uploads with a toggle next to it. So what you're going to do in order for you to enable automatic uploads is just tap on the toggle like that to turn it on. Confirm your choice. And so now, every time you take a screenshot or a screen recording, it will automatically be uploaded to the associated account. So say, for example, you are in-game and you're playing, say, Disney Speedstorm, and you've taken a screen recording, that will now be saved to that specific account who was playing that game. If it's another user, it will be uploaded to that other user's account, as long as this feature is enabled. However, if you don't want your screenshots or screen recordings to be automatically uploaded, then what you're going to do is just tap on the toggle to turn it off. Bear in mind that this feature only works when your console is connected to a Wi-Fi network. So if it wasn't connected earlier, when you reconnect it to our Wi-Fi network, then they'll be automatically uploaded and you won't have to do so manually. So it's up to you to decide how you're going to be using this feature on your Nintendo Switch 2 console. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.